shit shatter. I hit matter, making your whole backbone shatter split. Then turn around like that old school type of breaking, the earth shaking with the beats the herbalizers making freaking. Turn up my level till the shit starts peaking. Coming for that ass like a missile that heat's seeking. I reckon I got you out, double checking the sleeve. Wishing my songs extended like some chickens with weaves. I pass on the cash dawns, getting my stash on the brain waves, setting my path to straight days. I hate the way it seems that the negative rules got these fools going out for green cloth and jewels, tools to stimulate the mind. I keep polished like silver shine, making the bottom lip of MCs quiver. I can deliver whole songs with no cusses, sending rappers on their way like 60 segregated buses. Bring it on if you wanna. The rap style's gonna hit ya, back split ya, take ya back to the under. Bring it on if you wanna. The rap style's gonna hit ya, back split ya, take ya back to the under. Bring it on if you wanna. The rap style's gonna hit ya, back split ya, take ya back to the under. Bring it on if you wanna. The rap style's gonna hit ya, back split ya, take it down to the under. I bring it while ocean sips it, sing it. Ain't no thing it. Vibrate your ears till they start to ring it. Circulates like a centrifuge. Sometimes I pronounce names wrong like Knightsuge. I go the extra mile just to catch wreck. Shooting up brains without the aid of a tech. MCs put in protection like some worms and some girders. Running lines like tips saying lyrical worker. You'll insert a version of this if it's on disc. Coming cleaner than J. Rue or a box of whisk or Error Plus. Now, ain't that terrible? Bite my rhyme style, crunch delicious, it's edible. I'm incredibly nice, the mic device. Feedback twice, resurrecting the skills like Christ. I don't blaspheme, I just say what my ass means. Take it the wrong way and get hit with the blast. Fiend for cash if you wanna. The lead team a runner. Spoken scam to have your crew taken down and under. Energy's potentially kinetic. Your style's pathetic. Claiming self-understanding, but you just don't.